Okay, in this short video, we're going to be writing log equations in exponential form. This is numbers 13 through 16 on the review of the exponential functions and log functions test review. All right, so number 13, log base 3 of 27 equals 3. We would write this with this base of 3 to the exponent of 3 equals 27. That's how we rewrite that as an exponential function. Again here, log base x of 7 equals 1/2. So 1/2 is the exponent, the base is x. So x to the 1/2 has to equal 7. And then this log base 4 of 9 equals x. X is the exponent. So this base of 4 to the power of x equals 90. And number 16, it just says log x equals 38. When you do not see a base, it is a common log with a base of 10. So that would be 10 to the 38th power equals x.